Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. I'm the Kawasaki Cruisader, nobody's favorite YouTuber, and today we're going to be unboxing and explaining the Shift Power full race unit. Now, if you're living in the United States and you're anything like me, you've probably never heard of this product before. But if you own a Gen 3 ZX10 or something similar to that and you're wanting to have both a nice adjustable launch control and a reliable quick shifter, then you're going to want to watch this video. And make sure to like and subscribe so that way you can see more of the fun mods and shenanigans that I do with this bike. So let's get started and open the package and go through it all. As you can see by this nice seal that they use, this is a brand new unopened unit. I wanted to share this moment with you all so you can see what I'm so excited about. So at first glance, I know it looks like a box of random wires and plugs, but as I go through it all with you, you'll understand what makes it all worth just over $430 and why that is truly a bargain our friends over in the UK are offering up to us all. Ladies and gentle squid, what you're seeing here is the Shift Power full race unit, and underneath this protective foam sleeve lies the brains of the operation. Shift Power names this their full race control box, and this is what you use to adjust the three features that come on this product. It's constructed of a nice billet material, it feels really well made in the hands, and it only has two buttons on it for adjusting all of its three features, and that's all you really need. The plugs that are on here are designed to snap right onto your OEM plugs, that way your wiring harness isn't snipped or soldered at all. This black circle unravels and plugs into each of your four ignition coils under your airbox. This thin pink wire plugs into your speed sensor, the control box, and your quick shifter. Launch control and the quick shifter were the items I wanted when I found this unit, but it did come with a third feature. This thin blue wire is a toggle switch for a pit lane speed limiter. It governs the speed of your bike to whatever you decide, and it's designed for a track-focused bike pulling into or out of the pit lane on a racetrack. Just flip the switch mounted on your left clip-on by your thumb, and the bike will automatically start to slow to your preset desired speed and make a pretty neat sound while doing so. Now, tucked away safely up top in this little box is the Synchrotech shift sensor and the pre-cut shift rod. Shift Power ensures proper fitment on any bike, whether you have the stock setup or any aftermarket shift pattern you may run. They're going to have support for what you need. The quick shifter does feature adjustable kill times for engine interrupt times in 2 millisecond increments. However, it does come set for your bike's stock platform in mind. So looking at every individual piece, it is really easy to tell what goes where, and as long as you take your time and pay attention to your instructions, you should have no issues installing this. Inside the box, they include Velcro to mount the hardware, and zip ties and sticky clips to guide the wires out of sight to leave a really clean look when you're all done. As a nice little cherry on top, they give you a couple of nice Shift Power vinyl stickers to put on your bike so that you can represent them and let everybody know that you've got a leg up on the competition. With all that being said, I hope that you can see why this was a great purchase for me, and if you go out and try to piece together these features on your own or get a similar package from another company, you will quickly find yourself with either an underwhelming product or a price tag that was just bigger than the benefit of the product itself. I did my research, I looked at many other options, from Woolwich and their Race Tools package, DynoJet and their secondary module and all their other little add-ons, and trying to Frankenstein my own setup together using the MSD Launchmaster Pro alongside a Translogic quick shifter. All of these things either would not work or would not be worth the money for me to be able to run both an adjustable launch control and a trustworthy quick shifter. So, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask, comment below any future requests that you may have for videos, and make sure to subscribe. Stay tuned for the install and review of this product and each of its amazing features, and thanks again for tuning in, guys. Keep the shiny side up.